Hello students, today I discuss with you treatment of unrealized rent. Firstly, unrealized rent वो रेंट होता है जिसे ऑनर टेनेंट से वसूल नहीं कर पाता और अनरिलाइज्ड रेंट को वसूल करने के लिए ऑनर टेनेंट पर लीगल कार्यवाही करता है और उस कंडीशन में जो अनरिलाइज्ड रेंट है ऑनर की इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी कैलकुलेट करते हुए उसकी डिडक्शन दी जाती है। इसको समझने के लिए हमने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है। फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज रिलेट टू मिसेस मोनिका बिरला। फाइंड आउट the annual value in respect of these properties for the assessment year 2020 and 21. These 5 properties are given: property A, property B, property C, property D and property E. Municipal value, fair rent, standard rent and annual rent separately given in this illustration. Unrealized rent condition fulfill, it means ऑनर ने अनरिलाइज्ड रेंट को कलेक्ट करने के लिए जितनी भी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज हैं वो पूरी कर दी हैं। हर प्रॉपर्टी का अनरिलाइज्ड रेंट सेपरेटली गिवन है। म्युनिसिपल टैक्स पेड बाय ऑनर, प्रॉपर्टी ए, बी एंड सी। म्युनिसिपल टैक्स पेड बाय टेनेंट, प्रॉपर्टी डी एंड ई। सो computation of annual value of properties for the assessment year 2020 and 21. Property A, property B, property C, property D or property E. Firstly, we calculate gross annual value. For this, municipal value or fair value not exceeding standard rent. First condition में municipal value 125,000, fair rent 130,000, 1,30,000, which is more. It means 1,30,000, and standard rent is 1,27,000. Now compare which is low. 1,27,000. Second condition, firstly compare municipal value and fair rent, whichever is high. So 1,30,000 and standard rent is 1,27,000, which is less. It means 1,27,000. Third condition, municipal value and fair rent whichever is high, it means 1,30,000 and standard rent is 1,35,000. दोनों में कंपेयर करेंगे which is low, it means 1,30,000. फोर्थ कंडीशन में म्युनिसिपल वैल्यू 1,25,000 and fair rent 1,30,000, which is high, it means 1,30,000 and standard rent is 1,27,000. In this condition, which is low, it means 1,27,000. And last condition, municipal value and fair rent 1,30,000 is more and municipal value is standard rent is 1,45,000, which is low, 1,30,000. Now, rent received excluding unrealized rent, dear students, property A annual rent is 1,51,200 and unrealized rent is 20,000. Unrealized rent fulfill all conditions, so 20,000 less from annual rent. Now 1,31,200, 20,000 less. Property B, unrealized rent is 15,000 and annual rent is 1,51,200. Now unrealized rent को डिडक्ट करें. $1,36,200. Condition C, unrealized rent 10,000 deduct from annual rent, balance is 1,41,200. Property D, rent received 1,51,200 less unrealized rent, so 1,41,200. Now property E, annual rent 1,62,000 less unrealized rent 20,000, so rent received is 1,42,000. Now gross annual value is whichever is more, कंपेयर करेंगे whichever is more. Property A 1,31,200 gross annual value, compare 1,36,200 is more. Property C 1,41,200 is more than 1,30,000, so 1,41,200 gross annual value. Now property D 1,41,200 and property E 1,42,000 is gross annual value. Now we deduct municipal tax which paid by owner. Dear students, remember this, only municipal tax deduct in gross annual value which paid by owner. So less municipal tax paid by owner. Property A 10,000, B 10,000 and C 10,000. Property D, property E, municipal tax paid by tenant, so this is not deductible because it's payment by tenant. Annual value, property A is 1,21,200, 1,00,000, property B 1,26,200, property C 1,31,200 and property D 1,41,200 and 1,42,000. Dear students, remember this, unrealized rent deductible when owner fulfill all legal formalities and municipal tax deductible if municipal tax paid by owner. Thank you.